As we age, maintaining muscle strength becomes increasingly important. Strong muscles are not just about lifting heavy objects. They are crucial for maintaining balance, preventing falls, and carrying out everyday activities with ease. Unfortunately, as we get older, we naturally lose muscle mass. This process, known as sarcopenia, can make us feel weaker and more prone to injuries. The good news is that we can combat age-related muscle loss and maintain our strength. A key factor is ensuring we get enough protein in our diet. Protein provides the building blocks for muscle repair and growth. One of the best sources of protein for seniors is readily available and affordable: the incredible egg. Eggs have long been recognized as a nutritional powerhouse. They are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and high-quality protein, making them a perfect food for seniors looking to maintain their muscle mass and strength. Adding eggs to your diet is a simple yet effective way to support your muscles as you age. Eggs are incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your daily meals. From a quick breakfast scramble to a satisfying frittata for dinner, the possibilities with eggs are endless. In the following sections, we will delve deeper into the specific nutrients found in eggs that make them so beneficial for muscle health in seniors. Eggs are considered a complete protein source, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need but cannot produce on their own. These amino acids are vital for various bodily functions, including muscle repair and growth, which are essential for maintaining a healthy and active lifestyle, especially as we age. These amino acids are the building blocks of protein, which is crucial for muscle repair, growth, and overall health. Without adequate protein intake, our muscles can weaken, leading to decreased mobility and strength. This is why incorporating eggs into your diet can be a game changer for seniors. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at utilizing protein. This inefficiency can lead to muscle loss, making it harder to perform everyday activities. Therefore, it's important to consume enough high-quality protein to support muscle maintenance and overall health. Consuming enough high-quality protein, like that found in eggs, becomes even more critical. Eggs are not only a versatile and delicious food, but also an excellent source of protein that can easily be incorporated into various meals throughout the day. Regular consumption of eggs can help counteract muscle loss, improve muscle function, and enhance overall strength and mobility. This can lead to a more active and fulfilling lifestyle, allowing seniors to engage in activities they love without feeling restricted by their physical capabilities. This is especially important for seniors who may be at risk of falls or who want to maintain their independence. Strong muscles contribute to better balance and coordination, reducing the likelihood of falls and injuries. Adding just 1 or 2 eggs daily can make a noticeable difference in your muscle health and vitality. Whether scrambled, boiled, or poached, eggs are a simple and effective way to boost your protein intake and support your overall well-being. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in muscle function and strength. It helps our bodies absorb calcium, which is essential for muscle contractions. Unfortunately, vitamin D deficiency is common, especially among older adults. This deficiency can lead to muscle weakness, fatigue, and an increased risk of falls. Eggs are one of the few food sources naturally rich in vitamin D. A single large egg provides a significant amount of this essential nutrient, helping to support muscle function and overall bone health. By incorporating eggs into your diet, you can increase your vitamin D intake and reap the benefits of stronger muscles and bones. Section 5B12. Energy, powering up your muscles and nerves. Vitamin B12 is another essential nutrient found in eggs that plays a vital role in muscle health. It is crucial for nerve function, red blood cell production, and energy metabolism. Vitamin B12 helps ensure that our muscles receive the oxygen they need to function correctly. It also helps prevent fatigue, keeping us energized and active. As we age, our bodies may become less efficient at absorbing vitamin B12 from food. This can lead to a deficiency, resulting in fatigue, muscle weakness, and neurological problems. Including eggs in your diet is an excellent way to ensure you are getting enough of this vital nutrient to support your muscle health and energy levels. Section 6. Choline's role supporting muscle control and communication. Choline is an often overlooked nutrient abundant in eggs. It is essential for various bodily functions, including muscle control, nerve signaling, and brain health. Choline helps transmit nerve impulses from the brain to the muscles, allowing for smooth and coordinated movements. It also plays a role in muscle memory, making it easier to perform physical tasks. Adequate choline intake is crucial for maintaining muscle control and preventing age-related cognitive decline. Eggs are one of the best dietary sources of choline, making them an ideal food for supporting both physical and cognitive well-being in seniors. Including eggs in your diet can contribute to better balance, coordination, and overall muscle function. Section 7. Iron, antioxidants, and more eggs. Pack a nutritional punch. In addition to the key nutrients mentioned above, eggs also contain a range of other beneficial compounds that contribute to overall health and muscle function. Iron, for example, is essential for oxygen transport throughout the body, including to our muscles. Eggs provide a good source of iron, helping to prevent iron deficiency anemia, which can lead to fatigue and weakness. Eggs are also rich in antioxidants, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, contributing to overall health and potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Section 8. Egg-cellent recipes. Delicious ways to enjoy this versatile food. Eggs are not only nutritious but also incredibly versatile, making them a staple in many kitchens around the world. Now that you know the incredible benefits of eggs for muscle health, let's explore some delicious and easy ways to incorporate them into your daily diet. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast, a hearty lunch, or a light dinner, eggs can be the star of your meal. Scrambled, a classic breakfast staple. Scrambled eggs are quick and easy to make. Simply whisk the eggs, pour them into a hot pan, and stir until they reach your desired consistency. Add chopped veggies, herbs, or a sprinkle of cheese for extra flavor and nutrients. You can also experiment with different spices to give your scrambled eggs a unique twist. Boiled eggs make a great portable snack or a protein-rich addition to salads. They are easy to prepare and can be stored in the fridge for a quick grab-and-go option. Omelets. Omelets are a versatile option for any meal. They can be customized with a variety of fillings to suit your taste. Fill them with your favorite vegetables, cheese, or lean protein for a satisfying and nutritious dish. Omelets are also a great way to use up leftover ingredients in your fridge. Poached eggs are a light and flavorful option. They may seem tricky to make, but with a little practice, you'll be a pro in no time. Serve them over avocado toast, a bed of greens, or as part of a hearty soup. Poached eggs add a touch of elegance to any dish. Frittatas. Frittatas are perfect for meal prepping and can be enjoyed hot or cold. They are similar to omelets but are baked in the oven, making them easier to prepare in large batches. Pack them with vegetables and lean protein for a balanced and convenient meal. Frittatas can be sliced and stored in the fridge for a quick and nutritious meal throughout the week. Quiches are a delicious and impressive dish that can be served for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. They have a rich and creamy filling that pairs well with a variety of ingredients. Crustless quiches are a lower-carb option. They offer all the deliciousness of a traditional quiche without the extra calories from the crust. These are just a few ideas to get you started. The possibilities with eggs are endless, and they can be adapted to fit any dietary preference or meal plan. Get creative and experiment with different flavors and combinations to find your favorite ways to enjoy eggs. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a beginner, eggs are a fantastic ingredient to have in your culinary repertoire. Section 9. Your journey to strength eggs, exercise, and a balanced diet. This section is dedicated to helping you understand the importance of integrating these elements into your daily routine for a healthier, stronger you. Incorporating eggs into your diet is a fantastic step towards supporting muscle health and overall well-being as you age. Eggs are a rich source of high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and minerals that are crucial for maintaining muscle mass and energy levels. However, it's essential to remember that a holistic approach is key. While eggs provide significant nutritional benefits, they should be part of a broader strategy that includes regular physical activity and a well-rounded diet. Combining regular egg consumption with regular exercise and a balanced diet is crucial for optimal results. This combination helps ensure that your body gets the necessary nutrients and physical stimulation to stay strong and healthy. Engage in activities you enjoy, such as brisk walking, swimming, strength training, or yoga, to challenge your muscles and maintain your strength. These activities not only help in building muscle, but also improve cardiovascular health, flexibility, and mental well-being. Focus on consuming a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources alongside your egg intake to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. A diverse diet helps in providing all the essential vitamins and minerals your body needs to function optimally. Remember, small changes can make a big difference over time. Start by incorporating eggs into one meal a day and gradually increase your physical activity. Consistency is key to seeing long-term benefits. Start incorporating eggs into your diet and embrace an active lifestyle to unlock the power of this incredible food and maintain your strength and vitality for years to come. The combination of good nutrition and regular exercise can significantly enhance your quality of life. We encourage you to share your experiences and favorite egg recipes in the comments below. Your journey can inspire others to make healthier choices and discover new ways to enjoy eggs. For more tips on healthy aging and plant-based nutrition, subscribe to our newsletter. Stay informed and motivated with our regular updates, recipes, and expert advice tailored to help you live your best life.